Alright everyone, welcome back to Palm Beach. Welcome to the Palm Beach Traders channel. Here I'll be breaking down this trade that I took on V100S. Right, I just flipped this account from $20 to $60. You guys can see that was a profit from a $20 deposit. Right, now what we want to work on is seeing how I took and why I took this trade in the first place. What was I seeing? Trust me, guys, the reason why I speak so passionately is because this stuff is just too easy. It's the same thing over and over again. Deriv has no new tricks. And I'll keep on preaching the same thing to you guys up until it gets drilled into your head. Up until you also become a profitable trader. This strategy will make you a profitable trader. I promise you that. And if you pay attention for the rest of this video and you take notes, take all the tips and tricks and the gems that I'll be dropping in this video, I promise you that you will start to see these same things on your chart. Whether you're trading deriv, whether you're just trading currencies, indices, I don't care what you trade. This works everywhere. And if you've been following my past videos, you understand that. So let me take off all this analysis just so that you guys can see what I was seeing on the charts and why I took the trade. Look, it was very simple. If you guys watch my videos, you already know what I'm about to do. Bam! It is the same thing. Same thing. Right? Liquidity sweep. Right? Protected low. Break of structure. You get this, you're in for some money. You're in to make a couple of buckaroos. I'm gonna tell you that. You're gonna make some money here. I promise you. Right? But here's what I want you guys to see. I want you guys to see. Right? This is gonna open your eyes. Break of structure. So we already have our liquidity sweep. We have our break of structures over here. So what are we looking for? We are looking for structural liquidity. If you guys have been following along into my videos, you pull out your fibs, boom. We want price to come into this area over here, 50% or more zone, right? That's where we want price to come into, and look at what it did. Okay, did that. Makes our structural liquidity. We're putting the pieces together here, guys. This strategy is like mining for gold. Right? And you put small pieces together. It's like solving a puzzle. You're trying to solve a puzzle over here. And things are slowly starting to come together over here. Right? So you have this. Once you have this, you're almost guaranteed to make some money. Right? You have your sweep of liquidity right here. Break of structure. Break of structure. Now you just want price to come back. Create structural liquidity. What's the next thing that we're looking for? We are looking for another break of structure. And that's what we got over here. Right? We got multiple breaks of structures over here. Right? We had this break of structure, we had this break of structure, we had this break of structure, we had this one. Right? So from over here, what are we expecting? After price does this movement over here. Okay, so it's made your liquidity sweep. It's broken structure. Right? Price comes back into your 50% or more zone, makes your structural liquidity, right? Price comes back again, break structure. What we want to see price do now is get into this area over here. This is what we call our point of interest, right? That's all we want price to do now. Get into this place that we're calling our point of interest. This area is very important. Why is it important? It's important because price needs to come back to this area. Look at what price did the first time when it was in this area. It completely disrespected market structure. When price was selling, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, when it made this lower high, what price was actually supposed to do was come back and make another lower low. But it didn't. Right? It broke structure. So when you got here, price was supposed to respect this area, right? But price didn't respect this area. When it didn't respect it, it made our liquidity sweep over here. That liquidity sweep is what we are calling for our point of interest. We want price to come back into this area and react in this zone properly. So what did price come and do? Okay, we're now expecting price to do what? Sell from this area and go all the way down here. What did price do? Did exactly that. Look at that. Got into there. We got our confirmation candle. Your entry would have been somewhere over here. That's where your entry would have been. Right? Around this area over here. This is your entry zone right there. Right? If you enter on this candle over here, see this candle? That's a bullish engulfing candle. That was confirmation that no, we're now reversing to the upside. Right? Where do you have your stop loss? Below the protected low. Right there. That's where you have your stop loss. You take profit. You're either aiming for this high over here, or you're aiming for this high over here. I exited just before it entered that, or got to that high. Right? But I know it's gonna go there. It's gonna eventually go all the way up there. But I'd made quite enough money. But I'm telling you guys, it's the same thing over and over again. There is nothing different. This market is the same. If you've been following along to all of my other videos, you start to realize that it's the same thing. There's a pattern over here. It starts to become a little bit ridiculous. Because I promise you guys, it's the same thing over and over again. There is nothing different. It is the same thing over and over again. Right? And I can't wait for you guys to go into the chart and start backtesting and seeing this stuff for yourself. If you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share this with your friends. Comment down below any kind of questions that you have. If you have any kind of inquiries, if it's coming to any of my services, you can DM me on Instagram. The links will be in the description. If the link doesn't work, you can still type in the name that's over there. For those that do not know how to trade whatsoever or would like to learn the strategy even deeper, you can join my mentorship program. But just from the free stuff that I have over here, if you're an intermediate trader, this alone should be able to help you. This should already be eye-opening. This is eye-opening information over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown. This is Palm Beach Traders signing out.